What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet. So make sure to stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. Right away, we want to open our Phantom Wallet. So here on the home page, there are two options which you can use to get Bitcoin. For example, if we go down, we can see two Bitcoin types here. You can see Bitcoin Taproot and Bitcoin Native SegWit. Whichever is your choice, you just need to tap on Bitcoin. We're going to go with the first one. And then you can come over to receive, tap on it, and this will give you a QR code or alphanumeric address to your Bitcoin account here on the Phantom Wallet. So you can actually buy Bitcoin by sharing your Bitcoin's wallet address here on Phantom Wallet to someone who would be sending it. When you send this, they will send the Bitcoin and you can pay them in other ways. Alternatively, we can go back to the home page. And if you want to buy Bitcoin directly on the app, you can go at the top right here, and here you can see some options: receive, send, swap, and buy. We're going to go with buy, and then we're going to select Bitcoin again. We're going to put in the amount, and then right here you have the option for a credit card or a debit card. Now we can tap on it, and right here you have two basic options. You have the option to pay with your credit or debit card, or you can go ahead with one of the providers. Now, depending on your region, this might be allowed or disallowed. However, if you choose your credit card, you can go ahead and choose the credit or debit card. This will require you to put in your credit or debit card information for authentication and purchase. And here on the second option, you can see we're under providers. Now, currently in this region, we just have MoonPay to make transactions. In order to do that, we just need to tap on MoonPay, and then you can see MoonPay at the right, which is the provider. The next thing we'll need to do is to tap on Buy, where we'll be putting our credit card information in order to purchase through MoonPay. When you follow the prompts to put in your information and go ahead to confirm your transaction, you will have your Bitcoin purchased on your Phantom Wallet. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.